across the road up there.
Yep.
Go right across the highway.
Oh, Jesus. I hope those people got out of there.
Fucking idiots if they stayed. Oh, sorry for the language.
That's... Jesus, look at those cars up there.
Large wedge tornado on the ground. Crossing West Highway 4 as we speak. People ought to be getting in their basements, man. This is huge. It's probably a quarter mile wide.
We should think about heading back this way, up this page.
Large tornado on the ground, heading towards Kanopolis Lake. You want a picture in front of it?
Yeah. Got it?
There's Matt in front of that tornado, man. Woohoo!
Can you take a picture with my phone on?
That's a big tornado. Look at the wraparound from the outside part of it.
That'll be a quarter of a mile wide.
That's been on the ground for a while too.
We watched it come down. Or just about, it came over the hill like that.
Large tornado on the ground. Large tornado. We're southeast of Kanopolis Reservoir. It's not quite as big as it was back a little farther southeast now.
So Matt, how was the first tornado?
Huh?
I said, how was the first tornado?
Yeah. It's a good thing we moved.
Yeah.
Where are you at?
Right where we crossed the highway.
Right where we cross the highway. What do you think that is? Like 3 miles?
Away, yeah.
4 miles?
So they sounded there in Marquette.
Feel that inflow? make up for the Hiawatha trip?
Yes.
Look at the rotation clear around on the outside. Got some more little vortices.
This storm, unbelievable. It's maintained its strength, and the tornado has stayed on the ground. Still a large tornado heading off to the northeast.
Again, continuous severe weather coverage on News Radio 1150 KSAL, on Y93.7, also on Classic Hits 104.9. Dangerous severe weather in the listing area right now. A large and damaging wedge-shaped tornado on the ground, moving now into portions of McPherson and Ellsworth County out of the Rice County area. Our spotter, Henry Deal, has been on this for about a good half hour. We've got another spotter right now out in the Lindsborg area reporting he's not seeing it at this point. He may reposition himself in the Assyria area as we're continuing. We're trying to stay ahead of the storm to keep everybody warm.
But switch to the right.
Good point there, Dan.
Come and get out. I don't see the Dominator out here.